In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the tuner in Logic to quickly tune up a guitar or bass. So first of all, make sure your guitar is hooked up to Logic. In this case, I'm running it through my audio interface. Although actually it can work if you're mic'd up as well. If I'm recording my acoustic guitar with a microphone, for example, the tuner still seems to be able to make out what notes you're playing. Then, what you need to do is click on the tuner, which is located in the top right hand corner of the screen with the picture of the tuning fork. And then, when you play a note on your guitar, you can use it to tune up. And it's pretty accurate. So it works just like any other tuner. So if you're flat, if you're too low, the needle will go to the left-hand side. And if you're too sharp, too high, then it'll go over to the right-hand side. And when you're in tune, the needle should go to the middle and go green. Obviously the note is displayed in the middle. And if the sound from the tune is getting a bit annoying, you can always mute it as well, using that little M there. So if you're recording guitar or bass yourself, or you're getting someone to record some guitar for you, make sure it's in tune. Because if you start recording and that guitar is severely out of tune, that's probably going to be majorly hard to try and fix in the edit. And in certain cases, actually, it's pretty much impossible. So yeah, just always make sure you tune up before you lay anything down. Otherwise, you might end up just having to do the recording all over again.